Good day everyone, welcome back to Bonny Goat TV. If you are today is the first time watching my video or you have been watching, you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down there and click the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. My country people, my topic for today now, how you take make your home settle. What you go do to avoid broken of home as a woman, as a husband. Now I want to talk about today. You know, say this life person no, they no finish. I will say person they no finish. President for no get advisor. So if you dey into a relationship or you dey husband house, you dey marriage house, come join me. Make we talk about this matter. Make you listen to what I want talk about today. If you be say what I want talk so. If you hear you go get meaning, you go get use for your life. You know, say they no finish, as I've said before. So, my sisters, my brothers, let's come together. If you dey husband house, your husband fell love you before, things where they go well, but later, things not called they go well again. My sister, make I tell you what you go do. First of all, check any type of food where you know say, if they like where you cook am for am. After I cook am for her finish, you don't eat her. Use and rub it back. After I don't eat finish, so often I ate her bed for that midnight around 2 o'clock. Wake her up, ask her question. Anything where you know say, ask her say anything where you know say you do and where they vex her, make it talk her. If you talk and finish, as a woman you abide to her. All those will be say tell you, will be say they make her the vex. You try do her. If you follow that step, trust me, your home go dey okay. And the same time too, as a married woman, if your husband friend can't greet you for house, can't greet you for house, what you will do, you excuse them. If you not even excuse them, say you can't deal with them. If they talk any matter, if they not call you put, not shook your mouth for inside. But if they call you put, you fit shook your mouth, because as they talk now, you can't see they talk. Wait till they no call you put, you can't they put your mouth for inside. If the men don't come out, or the people be say Congress now don't come out, they go say this woman self never get respect for a husband. That kind of thing no good. If men call they hear that kind of thing for our side, it no good. As a woman, if they do that kind of thing, you just like change, because if you not change, it no go help you. And one thing again, as a woman, you need to respect your husband family, respect them, because your husband family is the first one. You have to respect them, whether your husband family, whether they're poor, whether they're rich, you go respect them. Because if you don't respect them, if anything happen, none of them go there by your side. Because now when you respect your husband family, if any quarrel they come, now they go stand by you. But if you know they respect them, if they look, they treat the paka, anything will happen, my sister, my dear love, they go just remove body. At that time, you are your own. At the same time too, as a woman, as a girl, you dey into a relationship, not be say your own, the help where you they give man for other side. Now to the chuk, not be all men they like that kind of thing. Fine. If you be woman, be say your own to offer says the other side. The man, if you give man, he go take. But at the same time, the man go look you say, you your own at the other side, you just the offer. That kind of woman no go take. That kind of man no go take you serious. As a young girl, be say young day relationship. Not let the only two be say you go feel offer your sponsor. Not let her just be only said, because men wey they see so they like and well, but at the same time, if it too much, or they look you say you be waka person. So as a woman, no just contribute say only that side. Now be the offer we say you just they give man for relationship where you dey. As a young lady, if they do that kind of thing, just like change, because if you not change, it no go help you. It no go help you. As a woman too, you dey marriage as if you dey work well, say you be type of be say they work. I know say no easy, because even when I dey work, if not be this corona matana, person self for still dey work. But as a woman, what I want to say, if you dey work, maybe early morning they quickly they come up for us. What you go do? Fine, say that early morning you no feel sweeper because you dey rush, they go work. The plate will be say you take it for night. Try they wash them, tidy everything. Won't say you no even sweep. If your husband first you come for work, if he still help you do that one as a woman. Now what I they do now they tell you. I know if you can't tell you what thing me no they do just because maybe I won't give you a no. Now what I they do I can't tell you for year. So as a woman too, as a woman, what you go do if you dey husband house? try respect your husband. Not dey let your voice dey pass your husband home, because that if it lead to broken of home. If your husband dey talk to you, try bring your voice down. Because if you not bring your voice down, if you dey talk, the man dey talk, or the man dey talk, you dey talk, that kind of thing lead to broken of home, because they'll be like say you not respect the man, you not respect him. And as a man, no carry another woman call your matrimonial home, because that kind of thing no good. All of us, we dey share the same feelings together. They know they say na woman be man, because say una be polygamous in nation. No mean say you can't carry women, they call your matrimonial home. You know they okay, because if you they do that thing for your wife they see him. It dey lead to breaking of home, because that kind of thing it no make sense. It go dey damage the feelings. And as a man too, you and your wife dey together, any small you go dey beat am. You go dey that kind of thing dey reduce love. You go dey reduce the love. If your wife love you 100 before, if you can't beat any small thing, if na not your get quarrel, make una your settle her like that now, beat. If the woman love you 100 before, you go dey reduce her. I dey tell you, my brother, you go dey reduce her. So if you be man, you dey beat your wife before, try change that pattern, because you no go only say, you no go only like lead your home to breaking off. You no go only lead your home to broken, but it go like people go see they talk bad, say you na husband beater, you be beast, you be woman beater, sorry, you be beast. So as a man, not they beat your wife, the way be say you fit a beat woman. If woman do you wrong, you do what he pay well, not eat the food. That's the pain us where if we cook, our husband not eat our food. Hey, it dey pain us where if your wife do you something, say make you beat am, just like not eat the food, not dey even talk to her. Make una your date there. Anything where they do, never like participate. You say the woman go bring herself down. There are many ways be say you fit a bit or be say you can't they use and they do this one. No, not do like that. And the same title side chick wey be say see they follow person husband. I want to talk about that one too. If you be side chick, no they do like that. Because anything be say you do now, it go affect you time coming, nothing they lost. Anything be say happen for goat ass, it go still happen for sheep ass. So if you they follow person husband, remove her, because it no go help you, it no go help you at all. At the same time, as a woman, if you catch your husband with another woman, no beat that woman, no fight with her. No fight with her, because you don't know what your husband tell the woman. Some men they will be say because of what they want see for the sweet in the middle, what they want see between the two legs. They'll feel talk with their eye no see him. So go even deny their wife. They go say they no get wife. They no get this one. They go talk many things just to get that woman. So if you catch your husband with another woman, what you go do as a woman? Leave the girl, make she dey go. I know say no easy, but I dey try tell you what you go do. Be say go help your home. Leave the girl, make they go. If you reach out, if you do anything with your husband, but say you can't dey fight the side chick. No, not do like that, because you don't know what your husband tell the woman. Your husband if you don't tell her many things. And some men they'll be say if they carry woman, they come their house. The picture be say they their house, they go remove everything. I don't see one like that. I be say I dey Africa that time. That one neighbor. So if any woman they come here, you go remove all the pictures there, everything where be say wife get we be say we take package am, where be say that side chick where they come there, no go even know say that person don't marry. So as a woman to be wise, if you catch your husband with side chick, not come they fight that side chick, because you don't know what your husband don't tell her. So as a girl be say if they into relationship, let her to control your mouth, because I guess we be say the I want to talk and self, the lack of manner, they don't get manner, they are not to talk, they know they respect anybody. If you woman say you fine, you no get character, you know they carry you, they go anywhere. You no get that your beauty, so you no get where go carry you go. May go just like come your way because of the beauty, they go still run leave you. I'm telling you. I mean they test you like I mean they test you. So you will say you fine, you can't think say na that fineness now go come make your husband or your boyfriend put you for house. It no go help you. Your character, the good character for inside now go help you. As a woman too, try to respect your husband family. I don't talk am before. Try to respect your husband family as you respect your own family. Respect your husband family like that. And the same time, as a woman too, the way be say your husband, your own family, they call your house, be saying you embrace them. See, they embrace your husband family like that. Or you dey into a relationship where be say you never marry. Try to respect your husband, your fiancé family as you respect your own family, so that in case anything, they go feel stand by you. So my people, I hope you learned something from this video. I'll end my video for here. Anything you think about this video, drop your comments, share my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you do, may the Lord bless you. Ciao, ciao, ciao.